Good evening, everyone. I believe you must have tried this question. So today we'll see the solution of this question. Here they have given the maximum consumption, minimum consumption, reorder level, reorder quantity, and delivery time also. And they asked us to calculate reorder, minimum, maximum, danger level, and average stock level. So the formula for first one, reorder level, is maximum consumption into maximum reorder period, right? They have given the direct maximum consumption, how many units? So 12,000 into 6 to 4 weeks. 4 is a minimum, 6 is the maximum. So here, maximum consumption 12,000, maximum reorder period 6. So it is 72,000 units. It's your reorder level. Next, minimum stock level. Minimum stock level formula is reorder level minus normal consumption into normal reorder period. Here, 72,000, we have calculated the reorder level. Normal consumption, they haven't mentioned, right? So we have to calculate the normal consumption. If you remember, the normal consumption formula is maximum consumption plus minimum consumption divided by 2. So it is 12 plus 4, which is 16 by 2. It's 8,000. And normal reorder period, it's also not mentioned. But the formula again is minimum plus maximum reorder period divided by 2. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2 is 5. So 8,000 into 5, 72,000 minus 4,000, 40,000, it's 32,000 is your minimum stock level. And maximum consumption. We see the formula. You can see the formula here. Reorder level plus reorder quantity minus minimum consumption and minimum reorder period. So just see here, reorder level we have calculated and reorder quantity they have given here, 48,000. So 72,000 which we have calculated here minus 48,000. Plus 48,000 minus minimum consumption is 4,000 units. Minimum reorder period is 4 weeks. Correct? So just calculate 72,000 plus 48,000 minus 4,000 into 4. So 1,20,000 minus 16 is 1,04,000 units. So danger level. Danger level is average level or average consumption into multiply with reorder level period for emergency. So average is again same thing, 12 plus 4,000 divided by 2. 12,000 plus 4,000 divided by 2 is 8,000. And emergency, here they have mentioned reorder for emergency, which is 3 weeks. So 8,000 into 3, you will get your danger level, which is 24,000. Next is average stock level. So minimum consumption plus half of reorder quantity. Minimum consumption is how much? 30. Minimum stock level actually. It is how much? 32,000. 32,000 plus half of reorder quantity is 48,000. So 48,000. You will get 56,000 is your average. 56,000 units is your average stock level. Just see, sorry. As we said, usually our reorder level is in between. It lies between minimum consumption and maximum consumption. Correct? In theory, we have discussed. A reorder level is always in between, lies between maximum consumption and minimum consumption. If you remember the formulas, you can easily interchange the values and calculate it. Okay. So I believe you understood this, the stock levels. Next, we have to discuss is EOQ, economic order quantity. Economic order quantity is, it's the quantity where you should order the materials at the very reasonable price. So the formula is square root of 2AB divided by C and S. Here A means annual consumptions which are in units, and B means buying cost per order or ordering cost. C means cost of placing an order, cost per unit. S is storage cost, which is always in percentage. Okay, so this is the formula. So reorder quantity, or you can say the economic order quantity. So it refers to quantity to be ordered and materials are to be purchased at the reasonable price. When we solve the question, you can easily understand it. Okay, so this is the question. Find out the EOQ from the following. Annual usage they have given, which is 4,000 units. Cost of materials per unit they have given. Cost of placing an order, that is 5 rupees. Annual carrying cost, which is 8%. So they have given. Just check. We have all A, B, C, and S, right? So EOQ formula is square root of 2AB divided by C and S. 2 into 4,000. A means annual consumption or annual usage, 4,000 units. B means, sorry, B means cost of order, cost per order, cost of ordering. See here, B means buying cost per order or ordering cost. So cost of placing and receiving the order is 5. So into 5 divided by C is how much? 2 rupees. Cost of material per unit. See here. Cost of material per unit. Divided by 8%. 8% you can directly write, or 8 divided by 100 also you can write. Okay, next is, once you multiply this, you will get 40,000. Once you multiply this, you will get 0.16. So the answer is 2 lakh, square root of 2,50,000. So the answer is 500 units. Okay. So now EOQ calculation is, this is your EOQ. This is your particular order. How many orders you can, if you order, that will be reasonable. You come to know the orders, you come to know. Now, what you can calculate is, in a year, how many orders we can make. So annual consumption we know, which is 4,000. So EOQ, which is the best quantity we can order, that also we know. Annual consumption divided by EOQ, you will get the number of orders per year. Annual, usually annual you will get. So 8 orders. If you order for 8 times, per order 500 units, it is reasonable for you. You will get at the cheaper rate. Fine. So we will see one more question. It is also similar. Calculate EOQ. Monthly consumption is 1,500 units. Ordering cost is 50. Inventory carrying cost per month is 0.6. Correct. So we know the formula. Write down the formula first. And square root of 2. Here, annual consumption. But here they have given the monthly consumption, right? So we have to convert it. Per month, it is 1500. So 1500 into 12, it is 18,000. Fine. So how much is B? B, ordering cost is 50 rupees. Write it down. And here they have given the per month like inventory carrying cost. It's not in percentage. They have directly given it. So 0.6 divided by 0.6. So square root of 18 lakh divided by 0.6 is square root of 30 lakhs. So the units are 1,732 units. Again, when you want to know, here they have mentioned here, number of orders also you have to calculate. Number of orders is nothing but how many orders you can make per year. So annual consumption divided by your EOQ, you will get the number of orders. Annual consumption is, we have calculated 1500 into 12, which is 18,000 divided by 1,732. So it is approximately 10 orders you can make during the year. Per year, you can make 10 orders. So what you have to consider, what you have to check, you have to check what are the values given, A, B, C, S. Okay, put the values and just calculate it. If they have given cost and inventory percentage, do like this. If they have directly given inventory carrying cost is 0.6, you can consider the same thing and you can calculate in that way also. Next, here, see, in this question, a company manufactures 5,000 units of a product per month. Cost of placing an order is 100 rupees. The purchase price of raw material is 10 per kg. The reorder period is 8 to 4 weeks. The consumption of raw materials varies from 100 kgs to 450 kgs per week. The carrying cost of inventory is 20% per annum. You're required to calculate these things: reorder quantity, number of orders, and reorder level. Okay, so reorder level, first we can calculate, and maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. See here, they have not directly given what is minimum and what is maximum, but they have mentioned per week, it is usually 100 to 450. That means 100 is minimum, 450 is maximum. So maximum consumption is 450. Again, reorder period they have mentioned 4 to 8 weeks. So 4 is minimum, 8 is maximum. So 450 into 8, 3,600 units is your reorder level. Correct? And now, next is you have to calculate EOQ. So EOQ, how to calculate the EOQ? Here, they have not mentioned the annual consumption, but they have mentioned the minimum and maximum materials per week. So we need the normal consumption, usual average consumption per week. And considering average consumption, what we can do, we can convert that average consumption per week into per annum. Okay, so how to calculate it? Here, they have given the minimum and maximum. So it is easy to calculate the average or normal consumption. So 100 plus 450 divided by 2, you will get the, here, see, 275 units per week. That is your normal or average consumption. So this is your annual consumption, right? Per week consumption, average consumption. So convert this into year. So usually how many weeks year have annual? When we consider annual, when we consider year, we consider that, we assume that there will be 52 weeks in a year. So 275, it is per week into 52 weeks. That is 14,300 units per year. I hope you understood. If they haven't given the annual consumption, if they have given the, if they have not given the normal or average consumption also per week, what you have to do first? Consider these two levels, minimum and maximum, convert it to average or normal consumption, and this normal consumption into 52, which is weeks in a year. So 14,300 units. So we know 14,300 is your annual consumption. And they have given in the question, see in a question, see they have given in this question, the cost of placing an order is 100. So into 100 divided by 100 per unit, right? Per kg, per unit is 100. And inventory percentage, how much they have given? Cost carrying of inventory is 20% per annum. So just convert it, fine. Convert it and you will get the 1,196 kgs approximately. Why approximately? If it is in point, you can just convert the point and consider it's approximately this much. So number of orders, again, annual consumption divided by EOQ. So that is your order, number of orders. So 12 orders per year you can do. You can place 12 orders. Okay. So it is very easy. EOQ calculation is very easy. You just have to put the numbers in the formula. So I believe stock levels and EOQ. It's quite easy. Just remember the formulas, put the values and calculate it. Okay. For next video, we will start with the store ledgers. Okay. So as of now, just try doing the same questions or similar questions. And we will see in the next video. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. We will meet you in the next video.